Hello everyone, it's Hanny with a little update today. I would like to make some videos. Oh, here you are. Some videos. Well, hey, you see, I have my arm in a sling. How do you call that? 4 weeks ago I fell. It was a stupid fall, and it was my own fault. But well, hey, I hurt my back and my shoulder and my arm, and well, I didn't do anything with it. I went to the doctor or anything. I still didn't, but well, it still hurts, and it hurts when I'm using it very much. So I did it in a sling. I can't craft, and I just do little household thingies, like making potatoes. How do we call that in English? Well, you have a potato and there is something around it, this, and I have to peel that off with this. So I'm going to do that, and I'm boiling some eggs, and that's what I'm doing now. And well, I just make a little video so about my daily thingies I do. Hello, I'm upstairs now in my craft room, and I'm not going to craft because my hand is in the sling, because I'm using it too much, and when I haven't my arm in the sling, well, I will use it too much. So to protect my arm a bit, it's my shoulder, it's not I can use my hands, so I could do maybe, well, some little things, but well, to protect my arm, I have it in a sling. What I'm going to do now is I announced that I have almost 6,000 subscribers. But hey, my video or my channel was named by Tina from Shabby-Dabby-Doodah. She promoted my, or she made a video about the page corners I made, and well, she mentioned my video in that in that video of hers. So, well, I got lots of subscribers. Thank you so much. It was overwhelming. I'm not used to that. And, well, I have almost 7,000 subscribers now. So, well, it's time for a giveaway. But the problem is, I haven't craft. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I didn't craft for, well, 4 weeks, 3-4 weeks. So because of my arm, 4 weeks ago I fell, and well, I could do something, but well, I didn't because I was with my son, and I mentioned that in a previous video. I have to help him, and maybe I'm going back this week again, I'm not sure. So I'm a few days home again. But I didn't make something. I didn't prepare the giveaway. So I'm not sure. I can't show you what I am giving away because I didn't prepare that yet. This is the giveaway video. And you can subscribe, yes, subscribe, of course, but you can comment on this video starting now. And what date is it? I'm not sure what date we are. It's 12th of April. And what do you have to do? Well, you have to be 18 or older. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and please like it, and you have to comment on this video, and your comment will be your entrance. So it doesn't matter if you give 5 comments on this video, you only count for 1. So 1 entrance. So I'm going to do that at Monday April 17, and then at 12 o'clock noon, my Central European time. I think that's correct. So it will be Amsterdam time at 12 o'clock noon. I will close the entrance. So this is the giveaway. Maybe there will be a little video where I show you what I will give away. But, well, I think I can say that it's going to include a journal and ephemera and embellishments. Can't show you yet, so that will be a surprise. But it will be a journal with embellishments and with some ephemera. So that's it. And well, I'm going downstairs again and well, do the dishes or something like that. Very boring, but hey, that's life. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe and push that little bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. And you have to comment and like. Well, that's not necessary liking, but I would very much appreciate it if you do. And thanks to all the subscribers, almost 7,000 subscribers. I love you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye.